1860. It's 4 floors, including this one. And we bought it in 1978. It was a dump. We thoroughly renovated it. All the other 3 floors have a lot of architectural detail. So it's period for Italianate architecture of the mid-19th century. When we were looking for a contractor, because this house is 150 years old, we needed somebody who was going to be sensitive to old houses. Also innovative, creative. There is nothing level in the entire house. So when you're basically gutting and putting in a lot of new things, it's very difficult to marry that with the old structure. And we had heard that Bennett was good at that and that they were innovative and creative. So we were very pleased actually with absolutely everybody who worked on the project.
In terms of dealing with Bennett, the experience could not have been more positive. Our motivation was to increase our living space. We had 3 floors. We decided to take over this floor, add another set of stairs to our lives, which may or may not have been a wise decision, but we'll have to see. And we're just really enjoying the space.
Actually having 4 floors, 3 stairs, keeps you healthier.
My name is George Griffin. I'm the project manager, estimator, and I worked on managing and running the whole project. Well, when Bill and Alan called me in regards to the project, I was pretty excited because we've done work in buildings like this before, and they're always a challenge and always usually rewarding and fun to work on. It's not the same old, and it was held true for this particular project as well. So we really enjoyed working on the project, and I think you'll see that the end results turned out just great. When I first spoke to Bill and Alan about the project, one of their main concerns was to create a large open space, including a kitchen and gathering area, which is what I think we accomplished. We created a large center island with bar stools and granite countertops. We opened up rear windows to create large doorway openings to pass out into the rear garden area. They can now sit and prepare their meals and entertain in the adjoining sitting space here to our left and not feel isolated from their guests as they're doing the food preparation. When this apartment was remodeled in the mid-70s, they took the stairs out, which was the access from the upper floors, and actually put a kitchen in the area where you now see the stairs coming down. We tore that out, reopened up the space, and put in this custom-built set of stairs that leads up to the first floor, matching the architecture of the original banisters and newel posts on the second and third floor levels. One of the other requests from the homeowners was to create a space, a sitting area and a kitchen area that was wide open. And one of the things that we designed to achieve this was to take out some of the center bearing wall. In these old homes, the center bearing wall is often 3 layers of brick thick that go right down to grade level. So what we had to do was take out a section, about a 12-foot section of the center bearing wall, and incorporate a steel beam to offset the loads. This being a column which supports the center of the beam that we boxed in the matching cabinetry and extended it over towards the right-hand side here, which gave them this much larger opening so that when you come down the stairs, you flow right out into the living space and the kitchen area. Fireplace presented a challenge. It had its own base to it, and when we tore the floors out, this section of the room, which had old wooden floors, down to the dirt, we had to pour the new floor in a manner that gave us the lip to be able to tile to create that little hearth look around the fireplace. I think it came out exceptional.